Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make spicy Sichuan poached fish. This is a very popular fish dish from Sichuan province. The fish fillet is poached in a very spicy broth with a lot of spice such as Szechuan peppercorn, anise, and many others. The fish become very tender, full of flavor, and the broth is wonderful with tomato and napa cabbage, and it's a wonderful dish. You can serve as a main course or you can serve as a fish soup dish. I will use 1 pound of skinless fish fillet such as flounder, any kind of bass, black bass, striped bass or bronzino, cod or halibut. I will use 2 tablespoons of gin, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. For the broth, I will use 1 tablespoon Korean dry hot pepper powder, 1 tablespoon Sichuan peppercorn, 2 inches of ginger roots peeled and julienned, 8 to 10 dry hot chili pepper depending on how hot you can tolerate, 4 star anise, 4 cloves of garlic thinly sliced, and 4 cups of chicken stock. I will serve the fish with 1 cup of half the grape tomatoes, 2 cups of thinly sliced napa cabbage and snow peas, and 2 scallions diced. First, I cut the fish into 1.5 inch strips. Then I diagonally cut the strips into 1/2 inch pieces. I make the marinade by mixing the gin, cornstarch, and kosher salt together. And mix well, then add the fish and marinate until the pieces are coated and covered and refrigerate at least for 2 hours. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a medium stainless pot. Saute the garlic, then add the Szechuan peppercorn, star anise, dry chili pepper, ginger, Korean hot pepper powder. Stir and cook about 5 minutes. Then add the chicken stock and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to simmer and let cook about 30 to 45 minutes until the stock reduces to about 2/3. Then you strain the sauce and discard the solid and place the spice stock back into the pot. Bring the stock to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer. Slowly add in the fish fillet 1 piece by 1 piece and cook through about 5 minutes. And fish will be tender, and don't overcook the fish. Then add the tomato and scallion and turn off the heat. In the meantime, heat a small pot with water, add the napa cabbage and snow peas, and bring to a boil and cook for 5 minutes until tender, and drain and remove to a bowl. Pour the fish and the broth over the napa cabbage. Then garnish with cilantro and other fresh herbs. The dish can be served as a fish entree dish, or you can serve as a fish soup without the broth. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You can always download the recipe and description below. Happy and healthy cooking, and see you next time.